Hello and welcome. Tonight, I'm inviting you on a peaceful journey to a cozy mountain cabin on a gentle rainy evening. Before we begin, let's take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, whether you're lying down or sitting. Just let your body relax into the surface beneath you. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and release it gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply, feeling your chest and belly expand, and breathe out, releasing any tension from the day. One more time. Breathe in, hold it for just a moment, and exhale slowly, letting everything go. Now, let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. There's nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do. Just listen and let the story carry you gently towards sleep. It's late afternoon as you make your way up the winding mountain road. The sky overhead is a soft shade of grey, gentle clouds rolling in from the west, carrying the promise of rain. You step out of the car and the cool mountain air wraps around you. The rain is light, refreshing, each drop cool against your skin. You breathe deeply, filling your lungs with the crisp, rain-washed air. Walking up the stone path to the cabin door, you notice small details. The smooth river stones beneath your feet, the wooden rocking chair on the porch, a stack of split firewood waiting under the eaves, perfectly dry. The cabin door opens easily, and you step inside into warmth and comfort. The main room welcomes you. A large stone fireplace sits against one wall, logs already arranged inside, ready to be lit. Soft rugs cover the wooden floor. A plush sofa faces the fireplace, piled with thick blankets and pillows. Everything here is simple, rustic, exactly what you need. You close the door behind you, shutting out the outside world. The sound of rain on the cabin roof grows steadier now, a rhythmic drumming that seems to say, "You're safe here, you're home." The rain continues its gentle song on the roof. Patter, patter, patter. A constant peaceful rhythm. The fire crackles softly, logs shifting occasionally, sending up small showers of sparks. The golden light dances on the walls, creating moving shadows that are somehow comforting. You set your empty mug aside and sink deeper into the sofa. Your body feels heavy now, pleasantly tired, completely relaxed. Outside, darkness has fully settled over the mountain. The rain continues, sometimes heavier, sometimes lighter, but always there, always soothing. You watch the firelight play across the ceiling, your eyelids growing heavier, your breathing slow and steady. Everything feels perfect in this moment. The warmth of the fire, the softness of the blanket, the sound of the rain, all of it wrapping around you like a gentle embrace. Your eyes drift closed, and even with them closed, you can still sense the warm glow of the firelight through your eyelids. The rain on the roof, the crackling fire, your own slow breathing, all of these sounds blend together into a perfect lullaby. Your body sinks deeper into comfort, muscles releasing, letting go, completely at ease. There's nothing to worry about here, nothing to plan or figure out, just this peaceful moment, this cozy cabin, this gentle rain. Let yourself drift now, floating on the sound of the rain, carried gently towards sleep. The cabin holds you safely, the rain sings you to sleep, and all is well.